एक इंसिडेंट आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ। अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन, उसका 13-year-old सन है, वो एक बर्थडे पार्टी में गया और वो बर्थडे पार्टी से आते ही अपने रूम में चला गया स्ट्रेट अवे। नाउ पेरेंट्स को बहुत अटपटा लगा। उन्होंने कहा, क्या हुआ, तुम्हें बर्थडे पार्टी में मज़ा नहीं आया, क्या क्या किया तुमने? एंड ही वॉज नॉट विलिंग टू शेयर एनीथिंग। बहुत सरसरा जवाब, हाँ मज़ा आया, बस कुछ नहीं, थोड़ा बहुत डांस। बट द पेरेंट केप्ट इंसिस्टिंग, बताओ बताओ क्या किया। एंड सून इनफ एवरीबडी स्टार्टेड सेइंग कि आजकल तुम कुछ बताते नहीं हो, बहुत अलूफ रहते हो, क्या हो गया है तुम्हें? एंड ये सब सुन के द चाइल्ड, 13-year-old child, burst in tears. What will you name this? Yes, it is also a sign of puberty. जितने nurturing and protective हम हो जाते हैं जब girls hit their puberty, शायद हम boys को लेके थोड़े casual हो जाते हैं. So let's talk puberty to our sons. Swagatam to Mommy Trails. In this video, we're going to talk about when to start talking about puberty, what all to include, and most importantly, how do we talk about it. सबसे पहले तो when do we start talking about it? Now ये समझ लीजिए, puberty is not a one-time conversation कि एक बार आपने कुछ बता दिया and that's done. Like to talk about puberty is a conversation that you have to start as early as 6 to 7 years old. That's correct. At least that's what the experts are saying and I truly believe it. And आपको incident एक बताऊंगी why I believe that you have to start about these conversation very early on. Of course, एक साथ आप सारी बातें नहीं बताने वाले. You're just talking about it, that how is bodies are different and a little bit about their own body parts. That's it. But क्या क्या include करना है? Let's talk about it in this segment. Now that it's settled कि हमें conversation start कर देनी है as early as 6 to 7-year-old because वो already curious हैं, discover कर रहे हैं that their bodies are different. Also they might have some questions regarding their private body parts. तो एक mistake जो हम करते हैं, stop naming their parts as PP or whatever, like drop names here. Because ये जो आप awkward silence अभी break कर सकते हैं, awkward like dropping names or talking about maybe penis or vagina, talk about it as it is. Right? If they have a question, if they come to you and if you think that is not age appropriate yet, please do not dismiss it और ये मत बोल दीजिए कि क्यों, कहाँ से ये तुमने सुना. I think you should take the question very wisely. So a common question a child would come up to you, right? 6-7 years old, hopefully they do, is that where do the babies come from? Now, when I was interviewing a lot of mothers, they were still awkward to talk about it. Even to me, I'm not too sure how they spoken about this to their child when they were younger, or maybe they dismissed it. I have done that as well because I was caught off guard. एकदम से मुझे आके कोई पूछे that where do the babies come from? I do not know how much information to give. But yes, you still give the information as it is in very, very scientific way. And we will obviously talk about that in our next segment, that how do we give that, but do not dismiss it. Okay, so as soon as your child is in pre-teens, which is like 10, 11, 12 or 13 years old, like just hitting puberty or before that, you should initiate conversation about everything. Of course, there's changes in the body, hormonal changes, physical, emotional changes. And again, I'm saying drop words here, physical attraction. Also drug addiction or any kind of peer pressure, bully in school, hygiene of their body, very important, physical exercise, diet, all that. You have to talk about that, these are the building and growing years. They're not just physically growing, they're also like multiplying emotional. There is so much multiplication happening emotionally that you need to address as well. So talk about it. I mean, I'm not saying that they're going to open up immediately to you, but if you name drop things, if you say that it is okay to talk about, but they generally don't come up to you because you are yourself very awkward. आप खुद ही उनके लिए एक ब्लॉकेज क्रिएट कर देते हो जिनसे वो आपसे बात करने में झिझकते हैं और उन्हें लगता है कि दैट इज नॉट नॉर्मल. फिर ये सब इन्फॉर्मेशन वो लेते हैं अपने पीयर से, अपने फ्रेंड से, जो सम टाइम एक्यूरेट नहीं होती, सम टाइम टोटली एग्जैजरेटेड होती है. Now I can tell you another incident. My 12-year-old son came to me because उसके एक friend ने उसे बताया that he kissed a girl. So he was very curious to find out that why do we need to kiss? Now what do we reply to that? Let's talk about that in our next segment. मेरे लिए ये काफ़ी लिबरेटिंग एक्सपीरियंस था जब मैं फ्रीली अपने 12 साल के बेटे के साथ ये सारी बातें कर पाई. एंड फॉर मी टू ब्रेक दैट ऑकवर्डनेस वॉज दिस ग्रेट बुक कॉल्ड गुल्लू. Now this is published, it's the first comic, Indian comic on boys puberty, and hats off to Menstrupedia for publishing this because it just made my life very, very easy when I wanted to have a conversation about all this to my son. So I'll tell you, when you say how to talk about it, the best way is that bring this book, give the book to him to read. Now for us it was very easy because generally we would buy a book, both of us will read it, then we'll review the book, we'll discuss it. So I didn't make it awkward. I just brought the book, said that I read it, you read it, let's talk about it. And then he came up to me, said that, Mom, a lot of information in this book I already knew at the age of 9, 10. I've spoken to so many of my friends and my cousins, but I was shocked to find out that so much he knew already. And that is one of my regrets, and that's why I'm also making this video to just ensure that, I was thinking that मैंने ये conversation पहले क्यों नहीं करी, and I do not know for all these years how he must be thinking, how much misinformation is already gone. खैर अभी तो वो इन्फॉर्मेशन हो चुकी है, बट नाउ आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट वी आर ओपनली टॉकिंग अबाउट इट. अगर उसके दिमाग में अभी कोई क्वेश्चन आएगा, देन आई नो फॉर श्योर ही इज गोइंग टू कम टू मी. All right, so the book talks about, like, it's got chapter wise and it's very, very cultural sensitive. If you're thinking that बहुत सारे name drop होंगे, it just prepares your children for puberty. And अगर boys are too shy to talk about it, it's definitely a book to give. And like I said, it's very culturally sensitive, so don't worry about like the words and terms that they use. And it's very well researched and medically accurate content. Okay, so it talks about what's happening to my body, the chapter 1, then taking care of my body, keeping myself clean, very important. What are all these feelings? It talks about emotional changes, very good chapter here. Attraction and romantic feelings, how to deal with bully, personal space and permission. Okay, all that, like जो ये हमारे बच्चे अकेले घुस जाते हैं कमरे में and they do not want to talk to anybody, it is totally normal. थोड़ा मुझे अंदाज़ा था, but this book also opened my eyes. So I will recommend you to read it for sure. What's happening down there, like how babies are made, reproductive system. They also sensitize boys about periods. Addiction and harmful effects, like something that you should talk about to your growing up children. Fortunately, unfortunately, we stay in a system, in a world जहाँ पे वो already exposed हैं. Now, आप शायद ये वीडियो देखते हुए भी सोच रहे होंगे कि बच्चों को तो आजकल सब कुछ पता चल जाता है बिफोर इवन वी टॉक टू देम. दिस इज नॉट अबाउट एजुकेटिंग देम, दिस इज अबाउट एजुकेटिंग अस कि हम जो अपना ऑकवर्ड साइलेंस है, इट्स अबाउट टाइम दैट हम ब्रेक करें और अपने बच्चों से वो बात करें खुल के, और एटलीस्ट वो रास्ता खोलें कि वो हमसे खुल के आके बात कर सके. With that, it's a wrap. Hopefully आपने ये वीडियो एंजॉय किया हो. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं किसी और टॉपिक के बारे में वीडियो बनाऊं और या तो डिटेल बनाऊं वीडियो अबाउट दिस बुक, so let me know in the comments. I will surely do. All right, thanks for watching. Bye bye.